Yo guys, my name is Legend and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have another awesome video for you guys. I am installing yet again another mod. It's been so long, but before we get into it, I want to thank Ardumoto for sponsoring this installation video. They were the ones to send me a pair of frame sliders / crash protectors. So let's put them on the bike right now. And of course, first things first, it's removing the side panel. After you've removed your side panels, you gotta remove the little front sprocket cover. After you removed the front sprocket cover, you will have to install a metal rod. This was a two-person job, but when you're done, it should look a little bit like this. Then it's time to cut a tiny hole into the front sprocket cover because the metal rod has to go through it. After you've done all that, it is time to loosen the bolt that holds your swing arm in place. Don't worry, you don't have to remove it all the way. Just loosen it up until you have enough space to fit the bracket provided by Ardumoto. The bracket goes in between the bolt and the frame, and the metal rod slides through the middle hole. When you install the bracket, you install the crash protector mounting plate on the top hole. It should look a little bit like this. Just tighten everything down. Once you did that, you just need to add the slider itself on top of the mount, and that's basically it. A pretty easy, straightforward install. Now once again, I want to thank Ardumoto for giving me the opportunity to make this video. I am really happy with this product. It feels really solid, it fits perfectly, and it looks awesome. If you're interested in any products by Ardumoto, make sure to check the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.